Ranjan Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you first flight for class 10th, chapter 2, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. In previous classes, I have taught you about this chapter, or I have also taught you some paragraph of this chapter. Today I will continue my study, so please listen carefully. Next paragraph. One day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. In the first decade of 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. Now, in the last decade of the 20th century, and my own 8 decades as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the right and freedom of all peoples regardless of the color of their skin. In these lines, Nelson Mandela described about the apartheid system, how apartheid system continue in South Africa. He remembered the history of that evil system. On the day of inauguration, he remembered the sense of history, and he remembered the condition of first decade of the 20th century. A few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War, Anglo-Boer War के कुछ ही दिन बाद, before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination the dark-skinned people of their own land. कैसे साउथ अफ्रीका में रह रहे गोरी चमड़े वाले लोग अपनी दुश्मनी को भुलाकर वे सब एक हो गए, वे सब मिल गए, और साउथ अफ्रीका के लोग जो डार्क स्किन वाले लोग थे उनको अलग कर दिए, उन पर अपना अधिकार जमा लिए, और रशियन डोमिनेशन अगेंस्ट द डार्क स्किन पीपुल्स ऑफ देयर ओन लैंड, और अपने ही भूमि पर उसके साथ रेशियल डिफरेंसेस का एक सिस्टम लागू कर दिए जिसको हम अपार्थाइड सिस्टम के नाम से जानते हैं. He remembered the black day of history of the inhuman by the white people of the South Africa, and he remembered the most inhuman societies the world has ever known now in the last decade of the 20th century. और आज उसी 20th century के last decade में at my own 8 decades as a man, और लगभग 80 साल मैंने भी एक मनुष्य के रूप में गुजार दिया. That system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the right and freedom of all peoples. आज वह सिस्टम समाप्त हो गया है और उसकी जगह पर rights and freedoms of all peoples regardless the color of their skin stable हो गया है. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifice of thousands of my people. और यह जो दिन आया है, अनइमेजिनेबल सैक्रिफाइस, जिसकी कल्पना नहीं कर सकते, उतना बड़ा बलिदान देने के बाद हमारे लोगों ने दिया, तब यह आज का दिन आया है। पीपुल whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid, उन लोगों का कि साहस को काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता और न उसके बारे में उसका कुछ हर्जाना ही दिया जा सकता है। I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. And Nelson Mandela remembered the people of Africa who fought against this racial discrimination, and they lost their life, they lost their properties. They only a matter of remembrance. I was simply the African patriots who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifice had wrought. And he paid his emotional touch of that patriots of South Africa who lost their lives, who lost their family, who lost their properties during the struggle. They are not alive to see this beautiful moment. And Nelson Mandela said, how I informed them about this ceremony, about this inauguration. The policy of our father created a deep lasting bond of my country and my people. ये जो अपार्थेड की पॉलिसी थी, यह हमारे लोगों में के बीच, हमारे देश में एक गहरा घाव बना दिया, जो लंबे समय तक चलने वाले गहरे घाव बना दिए. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of the oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambo, the Walter Sisulu, the Chief Luthulis, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sobukwe's of our times, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity. He also remembered the great patriots of South Africa who lost their lives, who shows their courage, who shows their wisdom, generosity, that their like may never be known again. Perhaps it required such depth of operation to create such heights of character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamond. And Nelson Mandela remembered about that patriots. He also remembered, he also exposed the geographical condition of South Africa. And he said, my country is rich in the minerals and gems and the valuable stones, valuable mines that lie beneath the soil of South Africa. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. लेकिन सबसे बड़ी हमारी जो संपत्ति है वो हमारे लोग हैं. फिनर एंड ट्रूअर दैट द प्यूरेस्ट डायमंड, जो इस प्यूरेस्ट डायमंड से ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। थ्रू दीज लाइन्स नेल्सन मंडेला डिस्क्राइब्ड about the importance of people, a nation made by the people, made for the people. The diamonds or the mines is important for their development, but the people is the most important assets of the country. So Nelson Mandela said about its greatest wealth, and he declared the people of South Africa is greater than all other minerals or valuable minerals or the wealth. This is the height of Nelson Mandela, and Nelson Mandela comes from the suffering, comes out from the suffering, so he know about the importance of the people. Today I stop my lecture and I argue the students, please go through the book and try to understand the meaning of this chapter, how Nelson Mandela describes his feeling about his nation, about his people, about the minerals, gems, and about the patriots of South Africa. So this chapter is very important for you to understand the importance of people, to understand the importance of humanity, to understand the importance of generosity also. I stop my lecture. Thank you.